Oh, you may speak. Turn on the studio light. As bright as it goes. Should be good. Water's on. What should we do now? Shut the valves off.
Oh.
Okay. You don't have to show that.
Oh, okay.
That's anyway. But there are 2 valves underneath. Cold. There. And the water's off. Now, so this is a Delta faucet. And I bought a repair kit. Take a look at the repair kit. Which looks like somebody already opened this. Could have been me. Professional staples. Let's get one of these. Empty. This is what made it easy, because it's a real pain to work with this without having this. So I got some O-rings. They're 2 sets, but they're not the same. One looks slightly smaller than the other and thicker. So don't know which is the right pair yet. We got some rubber seats, the 2 springs that go with it, and this goes together. And that's it. Let's do some damage control. Alright, we need to remove this little cap. Got the cap. Put it there. That's what the cap looks like. Now there's a screw in there with a hex, and this little tool is not only the wrench to remove a retainer ring inside, but also has this hex on it. Fits perfectly. Just loosen it up. It comes off. Now this retainer ring, goldish looking, has 4 notches on it. Just need to hold on to that. Oh, okay, it's turning. Get it out of the way. We have accomplished a great deal. Now we need to remove, and this is the problem. This is hard. When we take this off, we're going to see that it's not made out of metal. It's made out of plastic. So we could use a wrench and put all sorts of scuff marks on it. Strap wrench. There's water coming out, but it's only what's in there. We got that. We got that. That. Let's put these in order. This whole stem is supposed to come out. There's quite a bit of water in there. Let's just soak it up. There's the two seats. See them right there? Those two little black rubber. Those are the seats. Underneath them are those springs from over here. But we don't have a problem with the handle. It's just the stem part. Remove that. Another piece we broke off. Okay, here's the rings. I need to get those rings out, and I guess we'll know better when I remove them. Right, pause. These O-rings off, at least we're going to try. So I brought my hammer. We're just going to give it a good whack right here. No, we're not. Okay. Just need something to try to pry underneath. Put this here. Ain't nothing from there. We could use this. Ooh, getting somewhere here. So we work this one out. This one looks like the thick one. Yep. This is the one. Okay. We'll put that one on the side. Put the two new ones over here. Need to remove one more. So, some say to use a dental pick if you have one, but I didn't feel like running to the dentist to go get one. I'm afraid of those guys. They have drills. They make holes in you. Alright, this one's out. I'm looking to see if it feels pitted, but it doesn't. I'm not so sure that there's much difference between the old one and the new one. Okay. Put that one there. Then we'll put the new ones on. See how easy that is. Oh goodness. Is it in? Looks like it's in. Yeah. It's in the notch. One more to go. My fancy technique. Shall learn from my wisdom. Check that out. Perfect landing. Alright. So we got that. Now we're going to look inside of here. And that looks pretty clean. Alright, there's no buildup. We're in New York City, by the way, so we have hard water. Hard water is notorious for damaging your plumbing and messing up your drinking water. Alright, so let's use some grease. Nothing like grease in a can. So this comes off, that makes it easy to get to the button. towels ready. Five hours later. See? Yep. It's what it's supposed to be. I'm getting the propellant, but I'm not getting the grease. Ten hours later of shaking. Put a coating in here. Put it back. I'm so strong. Look at that. Okay. It's not quite in all the way yet. Feel that. Can you feel the difference?
Uh-huh.
Thank you for that comment. You know, it builds up again. I don't think it's going to get much better than this. Feel it. Okay, now with the hard part. We need to put everything back. So there's a pin right there, and it sticks out on this side. You can see it on the top. And we also have a groove here. So it only fits like that. Now, I don't remember. Was this like this? I think so. And then this on top. This has a notch right there. And there's a notch over here. So, notch has to go in there. And it looks like it went in. Alright, this should move. Okay. I need to put this back. Kind of really tighten that too much because it already has a okay. Put the retainer back. Use a fancy wrench. This wrench looks like it could be made for a few different models because it's not exactly a perfect fit, but it does work. Now we shall put the handle back. Anybody seen a handle? Here it is. Put that back. Come on. Okay. Turn the water back on. And the water's back on. And there is no leaking. Handle feels good. Give it a try. So sometimes there's water coming out through here, which means that these parts here, the seat and the spring, when this gets worn out, it begins to leak inside and drips out through the base. In which case you would need to change the seats and the springs. If there's a problem with the handle, then you would replace those three. But I'm going to keep them since so far I've got everything working. Put our little cap back. This whole thing has an angle. Delta faucet is working. It's good for at least another week. Nice and smooth. You can almost make a complete 360. All we gotta do is break this wall down. Okay, hope you've enjoyed our video.